Guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. I'm showing my face just to apologize for the fact that I lost all of my footage of me fangirling and dying over my friend Uniko Niiko's package, in which she sent me. I totally forgot to put the file on my flash drive when I left to hang out with my sister, and when I came home, it was gone. So this is just going to be me going over what she sent me and pretty much explaining what I thought and all that good stuff. So again, I'm sorry, Uniko, for losing that footage. It was my fault, and hopefully this will be as twice as entertaining as the first one, because at least I'm breathing right now. So yeah, now you're gonna get into the main video. All right, bye. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that was sent was attached to a very cute handwritten note by Uniko herself, and sad enough, I cannot find that note to save my life. I put it somewhere and I'm like, really, Nyrel, when you need it the most, you can't find it. So watch me find that note as soon as I finish filming this and make myself look like a total idiot. I'm just gonna be like, I can't live this life anymore. But attached to the note was a Prismacolor pencil sharpener. I've been seeing these around the YouTube art community for a very long time, and I'm like, low-key, those look really cool to use. So when I saw that I got one, I was like, oh my gosh, I got one. And these are actually really nice. I've used this already to sharpen some of my colored pencils and my drawing pencils, and the only thing I'm stumped with is how do you open this to let the shavings out? And if it's such a simple method, you guys are more than welcome to call me an idiot in my comment box below, because I cannot figure it out. So if I learn how to figure it out before this video goes live, I'll tell you in my description box below, and if you just don't see it, I still am stumped with how to open these. So in the second package she has sent was these art supplies. So on top is the Arteza, I don't know how to say it, iconic pens. I've heard people say egonic, but it says iconic, so I don't know what the correct pronunciation of either one of these words are, but I'm going to say iconic pens, and these pens are like the bomb freaking.com, and when I saw this 10, I was like, oh my gosh, because if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I love sketching in pen. Sketching in pen is a lot more funner than sketching in pencil, because sketching in pen gives you the chance to sketch more proudly, because pens do not erase, and you're just going to have to get more comfortable with the fact that you're drawing and you cannot erase what you've already done, and I freaking love that life. So as you can see, there are a lot of colors, and when I was swatching them, I was living my best life, because I have a lot of colors to work with. A lot of these colors are lighter than the others and darker than the others, and I feel like you really can get a really good blend of using the colors in a very weird way. And I only used the red and the black in a sketch I did in my sketchbook that I recently finished, so you'll see that in that sketchbook when the sketchbook update goes live. So anyways, these are really nice, and if you have used the Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners, the tips are exactly the same, but if I had to admit, these pens are a lot more juicier than the Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners. I love these pens, and again, I am still dying that I have them. So under this is the Strathmore Bristol paper, the god of all papers in the art community. I actually have never used this paper before. If I had to be totally honest, I've never used this paper before. And she actually have it closed with washi tape, and I had this weird suspicion that a drawing was going to be under here, and to my knowledge, the drawing is a blank sheet of paper. This paper is like hecka smooth. It feels like computer paper, but it's like super thick. It's thick with 3 C's, okay? That's how thick this paper is. So I am very much so excited to use it when my markers are actually alive, because all of my markers are dead right now. So this is what came in the second mini package that was in her package, and like I said, I'm gonna try to leave these in frame. So yeah, moving on. Alright, so in package number 3 was actually some art supply, not art supplies, drawings And this was actually an add-on to one of the art sues that you're going to see in a little bit because they're small enough to fit in this binder. So hold on just one second. Alrighty guys, so just to get some background, if you guys don't know, Uniko actually has bought 2 of my newer Hero Academia bookmarks, and I sent her some Demon Slayer bookmarks because I had my Demon Slayer bookmarks laying around and I couldn't sell them because they got copyrighted on Etsy. So she told me way before she sent me this package that she wanted to make her own bookmarks, and she was like, "You're gonna be my first test dummy on these bookmarks that I'm making." I'm like, okay, I can handle the life. So when I'm like, yo, these are her bookmarks, I was not expected to live 3 different fantasies at one time, guys. Like, you know, I'm just gonna relive them again. So the very first bookmark in which she has given me is a very gold fantasy of my character, right? Oh, can you like live this best life? My phone is not wanting to focus, but look at that. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my word. And guys, all of this is washi tape. She's like the queen of washi tape, and she just incorporated washi tape and all of her bookmark designs, and oh my word, I love this. And I swear I think this is done with watercolor because it doesn't look like marker to me. Like the way the edges are just looks like watercolor. If it is marker, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna quit, but I think it's watercolor. So and the little extra that she gave me goes along with Rohei. So are you ready for this? Because I was not ready for my first time. So it's actually a really cute yellow charm. Because if you guys don't know, my favorite color is yellow, and I'm like, I'm still geeking about this. So you actually attach this little charm on the side, and it becomes like a charm bookmark. Like look how pretty this is. Like I still cannot get over how pretty this little charm is, and attached to Rohei is, oh my gosh, so cute, so gorgeous. And my grandma was like, Narelle, I'm totally taking this away from you, and I'm like, no, anything but my child. So I'm gonna leave Rohei right here, and the next one is something I knew she was not gonna put in because I totally was not going to expect this, because I literally thought all of the bookmarks was going to be of my characters alone, but oh no, oh freaking no, can we just not give this man a introduction? Like I was not expecting to live this blue fantasy. I was not expecting it. Oh, my phone just does not like me. Please focus. Like, oh my gosh, guys, it's Almine. Oh. Almine is literally my only husband that I have in my lifetime. And the sad thing about it, he's like 15 and I'm 25, so it's like a 10-year age gap. But you know, it's okay. Age is just a number in anime. Age is just a number. So I can claim him as my husband all I want to. But oh my word, this is so freaking pretty. I freaking love this. And the last one is actually so I can't. The last one is actually a bond from the 7 Deadly Sins, because I'm living for this show at the moment. It's like the only anime I kind of really only talk about, and this is like a turquoise color, and it's so freaking pretty, and I'm like, I wish my bookmarks can look like this. Like, guys, if she doesn't make bookmarks, I'm gonna be like, why? Because her bookmarks are so freaking pretty, and she honestly should make them to sell. So guys, go spam her on Instagram with requests for bookmarks, because like, oh my word, these are so pretty. And I've just been keeping them in my little art journal I have, because I honestly am not going to use these bookmarks for reading. I'm going to use them as art pieces. And for this little charm, I kept it in the box because, again, I'm not going to use it on this bookmark. I'm just going to keep it as like a keepsake, and my hand is like really fidgety right now. Alrighty, guys, so the last and final thing that she included in this package, which utmost killed me. I don't mean it just destroyed my life, but this just left me without words, and I'm still left without words, is a set of 72 Prismacolor colored pencils, and I just had to state when I opened this that I actually have no words, because I just can't fathom how much people care about me. And again, it's not about the stuff. I'm not like, oh, she gave me this, she bought me this. It's just that the amount of love people have for me, and the amount of support that I have on my YouTube channel, and how much people say I inspire them every day, just kind of makes this worth it. Again, it's not because of her gifts. I appreciate what she's given me, but it's just that I love that she treasures me that much. I don't even know if I'm explaining myself correctly. If you guys get it, hopefully you get what I'm saying, but I just don't have words enough for thanks that I could say to her, because I'm actually trying to get back into colored pencil while I am getting back in colored pencils. And I haven't used Prismacolor pencils in a very long time, because, you know, I just kind of overused them when I was younger. And I'm like, wait a minute, what if I totally want to get back into them? Because I've just been living for Crayola for a long time, and Prismacolor was a colored pencil brand that I really love and still do love. So when I saw this, I honestly just wanted to cry, because I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, I just don't have words anymore. But if you open the 10, it's like 3 trays of pencils. So these are all the muted tones, and that is my Tuscan Red, because I love Tuscan Red. It's such a pretty red color, and it's a nice dark red color. So these are like the muted tones, like the muted browns, grays, all that stuff. And here is more of the lighter tones. So they're not lighter, but you know, they're somewhat up there in lighter tones. And on the bottom is, you know, some more lighter tones. But I just cannot fathom, I can't fathom this package enough. I just don't have any words to say about it, that I'm just like, oh my word, like I just can't. I really just can't. So guys, that is all in which Uniko has sent me in her package. Again, thank you so much, Uniko, for showing me so much love on my channel, on my art, and all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. And just looking at all this stuff again, I just still have no words that I could say to her and about her. So please go check her out, guys. All of her links will be down below. I am working on my side of our little package swap. I should be able to finish it the week I recorded this. So hopefully by the end of the week, I will have it all ready to go. So hopefully, if she makes a video of her unboxing of my side, I will link that down below so you guys can see it. So please come back and reference this video and see if the link pops up. Alrighty guys, so that's it for this video. Again, I'm sorry, Uniko, for losing the video. Not on purpose, but I should be smarter next time. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, comment down, like whatever you like to say to me in my comment box below. And like always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.